Okay, so haven't made a video in a long time, so I decided to do this for today because making these videos can be time consuming. Have to blur out uh, information, but let's get to it. Let's want you to see the before and after. So let's see. Let's get to it. There it is. There it is. Okay, so the date, as you can see right here, says 7/20. That's the latest update. But what we're going to do is we're going to go into the 3-in-1 report, and that way you can see the before and after. So I know the score is low. The score is low is because this client doesn't have any open accounts. All of his accounts are closed. He had about 5 negative accounts. And then so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to May 27th, which is less than 2 months apart. So we're going to go to that. And I know it's not a lot, not a major difference in the score, but this is what I want you to pay attention to. So we're going to switch to classic view. We're going to scroll down. As you can see, going at the top, and then you see that's a negative, all negatives. That's positive, that's positive, positive, negative. Okay, positive, positive, and then we go into the negative again. Negative, negative. Okay, and that's about it. So the reason I'm showing this to you is because we're going to go into the latest report, which is July 20th. As I'm shooting this, I'm recording this on July 21st. So we're going to scroll all the way down. You're not going to see one negative at all. There's none. All the negatives have been removed. All of this was done with one round of disputes. And if you can see right here, there is no delinquencies. There's no derogatories, right? But then if we go back to May, you'll see that there was 2, there was 5, there was 2, 1, 4, 2. So, you can see the difference. So yeah, I just want to make this video real quick just so you can see the before and afters. That's how we do our videos. Subscribe, like, share, get in contact with us. The number is listed below in the comments in the description. So yeah, like I said, we don't make a lot of videos, but just wanted to show you that everything is still effective to this day. Thanks.